Financial Wisdom by Suze Orman. The key to making money is to stay invested. The only way you will ever permanently take control of your financial life is to dig deep and fix the root problem. People first, then money, then things. When you create a budget, you are creating a plan for your money and your future. A big part of financial freedom is having your heart and mind free from worry about the what-ifs of life. The single most important factor in determining your success is your mindset. Money doesn't grow on trees, but it does grow when you save it. You must learn to save first, and spend afterwards. True generosity is an offering, given freely and out of pure love. No strings attached. No expectations. Owning a home is a keystone of wealth, both financial affluence and emotional security. Thanks for watching.